Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we are going to talk about very unusual action camera called ZGPAX S222. From one side, it has standard functions for action camera, however, its design is very interesting. At first glance, you may think that it is not action camera at all. So let's start with review and find out its main features. As I already said, design is the highlight of this action camera. Unlike many products on the market, it comes with round body. It makes more comfortable to use. You can even attach the camera to a strap and wear the gadget on your hand, like a smartwatch. There are 5 buttons around the body: camera, photo, boot, WLAN, and watch SDV. On the left side you can find micro USB port for charging, while on the right is located slot for micro SD memory cards. By the way, the camera is waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. It means that you don't need a special waterproof box to shoot the video under the water. The front side of camera has 2.3mm sensor, while on the back is magnetic base. It allows to place the camera on any metal surface to shoot the video from any angles. It looks amazing, doesn't it? As for the functions of ZGPAX S222, they don't differ from any other action camera. It has 8MP sensor with 153 degrees viewing angle. The maximum video resolution is 2K, but also it can record in Full HD at 30fps and HD at 30fps. The battery capacity of 900 mAh provides about 30 minutes of video recording in Full HD resolution. The full charge takes about 3 hours. What else can I say about this camera? The manufacturer is proud of low light mode. It should help to make good videos at night. I haven't seen real sample video in low light conditions, so I can say nothing about it. The camera is connected to smartphone via special app. It allows to watch, edit, and share video to social networks. As you can see, the main feature of ZGPAX S222 action camera is design. It has a round shape, waterproof body, and magnetic mount. It makes this camera much more interesting compared to other action cameras on the market. As for the functions, they don't differ much from competitors. Also, I would not accept high-quality shooting, because the price of action camera is very budget, about $80. I think that ZGPAX S222 is a very interesting camera for active people. It is shockproof and waterproof, while magnetic mount allows to place at any metal surface. Thanks for watching. In description you can find links where to buy this camera cheaper. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.